My name is Roxanne Patterson, and I had a friend that joined LadyBoss, and she kept talking about it and talking about it, and she says, I asked her a few questions, and then I seen Kaelin on Facebook, and I thought, she's kind of bubbly, a little too bubbly for me, and I thought, and then she started posting, that she was doing this LadyBoss, and she was talking more every time I seen her, and I said, you're gonna have to show me this trainer because I'm thinking I want this. And so she came and she showed me everything on the trainer, and I'm like, oh, I want it. The information alone was enough. And so I searched it out on Facebook, and I just said, that's it. I'm not even gonna bother with the 7-day trial. Just gonna go live and just do it.
Wow.
And so that's how I started.
That's awesome.
Yes.
So what's changed for you since you did that?
Everything. Gosh, let's see. My husband likes to be a little lazy sometimes. He likes to lift the weights, heavy weights and everything, but he likes to get a little lazy on his food and going to the gym. He likes to, I don't want to go today or whatever, and I've pushed him, so now he goes. And if I get that, well, he's like, oh, come on, let's go, we gotta go. And so that's helped a lot, eating right at home. And I've gotten better where he still likes his ice cream. Praise God for Halo Top, and so I've done really good with that. I can control myself now with the bad choices that he's making. I still have that control to keep away from it. I have more energy. I don't have as many aches and pains unless I've done too much at the gym, which I do because I'm addicted.
Good addiction?
Yes, it is.
Nice. Even when your husband's going rogue, you're still able to
yes.
keep control.
Oh, yes, definitely.
So what's been along this journey? See, you've changed a lot. What's been breakthroughs for you? Where's been your big moment?
Oh, probably when I really thought I needed to start this. I had done all kinds of diets, everything, and I started working out and going to the gym a lot, doing classes, fitness classes, and then I started teaching silver sneakers aerobics. And I had to quit doing my classes because teaching those classes and doing my classes, I was like fried, and I couldn't get it scheduled. And so I stopped. Well, when I stopped, I gained all that weight back because all I was doing was senior citizen workouts, which was not challenging me. And my food wasn't quite on track at that point because I had not started. And so that was when I was like, okay, this is not cool. I'd put my clothes that I've been wearing to teach these classes for 4.5 years, and I put them on, and I'm like, man, they're a little tight. I got to get my extra larges out. I'm not liking this. And I thought, I got to be an example. I'm telling them what they need to do, and I'm not doing it. And so that was my light bulb. It's like, okay, I've got to do this. I got to be better because I'm teaching them, but if I can't be better, I shouldn't be teaching them. And I love it, so.
Yeah, so you got to get
better.
That
was it, yes.
Well, you're a leader, you're a teacher. What do you say to someone that's still stuck, that's still struggling, and hasn't become a lady boss? What do you tell them right now?
Oh, you're worth it. Do it. So much better. Just the energy, the life, just everything. It's just, you're worth it. You can't stop. You got to keep going. There's diseases, there's aches and pains. That first 20 pounds makes your feet stop hurting. Just keep going. Keep going.
That's awesome.
It's worth it.
What's been the most fun about being a lady boss?
Oh, the sisterhood. The sisters, the live workouts, the Facebook page, wearing my swag to the gym, and people are like, what is that? Or you're working out and you're all swagged out and they're watching you and you're doing something crazy because you're doing a fit at home or a gym workout that's on the trainer, and it's just, honestly, the number one is the sisterhood.